the pain is being alleviated. So I definitely suggest it.
I'm Dr. Jeff Kerby at Aligned Chiropractic here in Madison, Alabama. My patient Talia today, and I'm going to show you some adjustments on her. So as I palpate her spine, I see that she is fixated here at T9 and T10. It's kind of a lower thoracic adjustment. All right, so just take a deep breath in, blow it out all the way. Good. And we're also going to do T4, T5. Big breath in, blow it out all the way. Here we are working on her neck, really trying to help her with that curvature. Her neck can be a little straight, a little flat. You really kind of need a good cervical curve. So we're going for C5, C6. And we'll get the other side here too. And then I'm going to just do a decompression pull. How'd that feel? We're also going to do her shoulders too. So we're just going to pull these shoulders back. Just like that. And then this one, this side. Adjustment. This is for her lumbar spine. So I'm just going to bring her into tension here. Put a little weight, and then we're just going to body drop a bit. All right. Okay, here we go with the right side up.
All right, guys, so I've been getting adjustments for a very long time, right? And I want to say that this is one of the best adjustments I've ever had. When I leave, I literally feel like the pain is being alleviated. So I definitely suggest it.